Are you seeing it? They said the original oil is very difficult to. Oh, I didn't even know. I didn't notice. So guys, this is a new cup, okay? This is a new cup of Python oil. So I've been getting these questions like back to back. Is the Python oil working? Is the Python oil working? So this is the second cup that I'm getting for this Python oil here. Or Python oil. Sorry guys. So your questions, guys. Is it working? This is the second cup of the Python oil that I'm getting, okay? Mind you, I didn't buy it with money. It's a gift. I got it as a gift, okay? I will say it's working. This is my hand right now. This is the injury. Are you seeing the scar? Are you seeing my scars? So this is it, okay? This is how it looks, all right, from the accident. So I'll say it's working. I didn't buy it. A lot of you are asking me where to get it, where to buy it, where did I buy it, how do you buy it? I didn't buy it, a gift. All right, it's a gift. This is it. Oh boy, see the face. Hey God, the face is scaring. So I'm going to use, because it was pouring, I'm going to use from this plastic now. Okay, I see you guys. Okay, you're watching me for live stream. Thank you. I'm actually recording it. Me that behaves like old woman. I'm coming, guys. I'm trying to make sure that these ones are poured on the plastic. I'll remove it. No wastage. No wastage. Oh, come and waste it. All right, guys. Happy, I'm coming. I see you. I see you. So this is the Python oil, okay? This is the second cup, like I said earlier. So those questions, so the people asking me if it's working, I will say it's working. I showed you my scar, the way it's looking, right? And that's what I've been using, okay? Like I said, I've been using the Python oil and aloe vera gel, and there's this other gel for wound that I've been using, and I believe the Python oil is really working. Like they said, if you are using the original oil, okay, that it will work. So I believe I'm using the original oil. And like I said, I didn't buy it with money. I got it from my goddaughter. She's watching me live right now. I got it from her. She's the one that is supplying me with it. If you want her number, even though she said I should not give her number, if you want her number, let me know. If you want her number, let me know so that I will share her number to you. She's the one that knows where to get the original Python oil from. So this is my injury right now. And this is the second cup she's giving to me. You people should help me, please. Tell her thank you. Tell her thank you for me, because I don't know how I would have used to get it. Are you seeing it? They said the original oil is very difficult to find, and she have it in the house here in Germany. So she's been supplying me with the oil all this while, okay? So this is it. All right, let me come